How to get Canadian PR fast, costs and processing times. Imagine a future where you and your family can call Canada your permanent home, where new opportunities, quality healthcare, world-class education, and a vibrant multicultural community await you. Securing permanent residency, PR, in Canada is not just a legal process, it's a gateway to building a new life filled with endless possibilities. Whether you're dreaming of starting a new career, reuniting with loved ones, or simply seeking a safe and welcoming environment, understanding the ins and outs of the PR application process is crucial. In this video, we will guide you through every step of applying for Canadian PR, breaking down the eligibility criteria, necessary documentation, procedures, processing times, and costs involved. With Canada's immigration landscape constantly evolving, staying informed is more important than ever to ensure your application is successful. This knowledge can make the difference between a smooth journey and missed opportunities. So, if you're serious about making Canada your new home, this comprehensive overview is essential reading. Don't miss out on vital tips and updates that can help turn your dream into reality. Don't forget to subscribe Travel Tree, like this video, and drop your questions in the comments below. Ready to start your journey? Let's dive in. First of all, we see the eligibility. 1. Eligibility criteria. The eligibility depends on the immigration pathway you choose. The most common pathways are Express Entry System, for Federal Skilled Worker, Federal Skilled Trades, and Canadian Experience Class. Provincial Nominee Program, PNP. Family Sponsorship. Business Immigration. Most popular, Express Entry, Federal Skilled Worker Program. Basic requirements. Work experience, at least 1 year of continuous, paid work experience in the last 10 years in an eligible occupation. Language proficiency. CLB 7, IELTS or TEF scores. Education, Canadian secondary or post-secondary certificate, diploma or degree, or an Educational Credential Assessment, ECA, report for foreign education. Proof of funds, sufficient funds to support yourself and family after arrival unless you have a valid job offer. Age, typically, younger applicants score higher points. Other factors, adaptability, arranged employment, provincial nominations, etc. 2. Documents required. General documents. Identity and civil status. Valid passport or travel document. Birth certificates. Marriage certificate, if applicable. Divorce/death certificates for previous marriages, if applicable. Proof of work experience. Employment reference letters, on company letterhead, with job title, duties, employment dates, salary. Pay stubs, tax documents. Language test results. IELTS, General Training, or TEF Canada scores. Educational credentials. Degree certificates. Transcripts. Educational Credential Assessment, ECA, report from designated organizations, e.g., WES, ICAS. Proof of funds. Bank statements, proof of savings. Official letters from financial institutions. Other supporting documents. Police clearance certificates. Medical exam results, mandatory after invitation. Photographs, passport-sized. Additional for specific pathways. Provincial Nominee Program, nomination certificate. Job offer, offer letter, LMIA, Labor Market Impact Assessment, if applicable. Spouse/partner and dependents, similar documents for family members. 3. Procedure. Step 1. Determine eligibility and choose pathway. Use the IRCC online tool or consult an immigration professional. Step 2. Create an Express Entry profile. Provide personal details, education, work experience, language scores, and other information. Based on your profile, you will be given a comprehensive ranking system, CRS, score. Step 3. receive invitations to apply, ITA. Candidates with high CRS scores are invited to submit a full application during periodic draws. Step 4. Submit application for PR. After receiving an ITA, submit your complete application online via your IRCC account. Upload all required documents. Step 5. Medical and security checks. Undergo medical examinations with authorized physicians. Complete security/background checks. Step 6. Application processing. IRCC reviews your application, conducts background checks, and assesses documents. Step 7. Decision and confirmation. If approved, you receive confirmation of permanent residence, COPR, and a PR visa, if applicable. Step 8. Landing in Canada. Arrive in Canada and present your COPR at port of entry to complete landing procedures. 4. Processing time. Express entry, typically 6 months or less after submission of complete application. PNP and other pathways, varies from 6 months to over a year. Factors influencing processing time: completeness of documents, background checks, specific program, volume of applications. 5. Cost. Fee description is in Canadian dollars. Application processing fee, per adult, $1,365. Spouse or partner, if applicable, $1,365. Dependent child, if applicable, $230. Right of permanent residence fee, RPRF, $515 per adult, payable at the end. Medical exams $100 to $300 per person, varies. Language test fees $300 to $350, approximate. Educational credential assessment, ECA, $200 to $350, per credential. Note, these are approximate costs, actual fees may vary. Additional tips. Ensure all documents are accurate and up to date. Translate any non-English/French documents with certified translations. Maintain copies of all submitted documents. Consult official IRCC website or authorized immigration professionals for updates and personalized guidance. To summary: a successful applicant is well prepared, honest, organized, and stays informed about IRCC policies. Paying close attention to detail and ensuring compliance with all requirements significantly increases your chances of a smooth and successful PR application process. Start by assessing your eligibility for the express entry system or other pathways, prepare all necessary documents, create an online profile, wait for an invitation, then submit your application with supporting documents. Processing times are generally around 6 months for express entry, with costs varying based on family size and additional services. If you're applying for PR in Canada, just make sure your application is complete and error-free. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Subscribe to Travel Tree for more immigration updates, travel tips, and visa guides. See you in the next video. If you need tailored advice or assistance, consider consulting a licensed immigration consultant or lawyer familiar with current IRCC policies. Good luck with your PR application.